Good morning children. Hope you are all doing good. This is your social class. Yes, take your social book and pencil with you. Yes, we are seeing our first lesson, India, location and its neighbors. Yes, before starting our lesson, we will see what we learned in our previous class. We saw about the location of India. Yes, India is located in the South Asia and India is the 7th largest country in the world. And New Delhi is the capital of India. And India is divided by Tropic of Cancer into two equal parts. And India has different relief features like mountains, plains, plateaus, islands and desert. Yes, today we are going to see about the relief features of India and countries surrounding India. Yes, look at the map here. India is surrounded by water on its three sides. Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. Yes, so India is called a peninsula. Yes, India is called a peninsula because India is covered by water on its three sides. Arabian Sea, it lies to the west of India, and Bay of Bengal, it lies to the east of India, and Indian Ocean to the south of India. Yes, and then about the mountain. Himalaya, see here, Himalaya borders our country and it is very useful for us by providing many things, and some of our rivers also get waters through this Himalayas. And then the plateau, Deccan Plateau or Southern Plateau. See here, on either side of the plateau stretches the Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. This is the Deccan Plateau and it was sided by Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. And then the coastal plains. Between Western Ghats and Arabian Sea, there were the Western coastal plain. This is the Arabian Sea and this one is the Western Ghats. Between those places, this was the coastal area of Western Plain. Yes, Western Coastal Plain. And between the Bay of Bengal and Eastern Ghats, this one is the East Coastal Plain. Yes. And then the Ghats are the hills and Eastern Coastal Plain is bordered than the Western Coastal Plain. And then about the island. Yes. The island of Andaman and Nicobar lie in the Bay of Bengal. Where is Bay of Bengal? This one is Bay of Bengal and Andaman and Nicobar Island lies here. Yes, these are the Andaman and Nicobar Island. And then the Lakshadweep Island, it lies in the Arabian Sea. This one is the Arabian Sea and this one is the Lakshadweep Island. Yes, these there are a part of India. Yes, and then the desert. We have only one desert in our country, that is the Thar Desert. This is the Thar Desert. Yes, the western or Thar Desert lies in the northwest. See, this one is north, this one is west. Northwest of India. The northwestern most part of Rajasthan is occupied by Thar Desert and it is the only one desert in India. Yes, are you clear with the relief features, children? Yes, let's go for the page 6. Relief. India is called a peninsula as it is surrounded by water on three sides. Underline water on three sides. The Arabian Sea lies to the west. The Bay of Bengal lies to the east. And Indian Ocean to the south of the peninsular land. And then the northern mountain. Bordering the country in the north are the Himalayas, which are the highest mountain ranges of the world. Yes, it is the highest mountain ranges in the world. Underline it. They are important to us as they provide us with many useful things. Some of our rivers also rise from the Himalayas. Yes, and then the Great Northern Plains. The Great Northern Plains lie to the south of the lofty ranges and are very fertile. See, this Great Northern Plain, it is useful for agriculture. So, it is very fertile. Yes, underline this also. The Southern Plateau. Southern Plateau or Deccan Plateau. It extends from northern plain to the southern tip of India. On either side of the plateau stretches western and eastern Ghats. The coastal plains and the islands. Between the Western Ghat and the Arabian Sea lies the Western Coastal Plain. The Eastern Coastal Plain lies between Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. Yes, the Eastern Coastal Plain, it lies in between the Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. Western Coastal Plain, it lies between the Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. The Ghats are hills. Underline it. Eastern Coastal Plains is bordered than the Western Coastal Plain. Is the islands. The islands of Andaman and Nicobar lie in the Bay of Bengal. Underline this also. And the Lakshadweep island lies in the Arabian Sea. They are a part of India. Yes, these are the island of India. Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep, it is the part of India. And then the Western Desert. The Western Desert or Thar Desert lies in the northwest of India. Underline it, northwest of India. The northwesternmost part of Rajasthan is occupied by the Thar Desert. Yes, Rajasthan is occupied by the Thar Desert and it is the only one desert in India. Thar Desert is only one desert. It is in India. Yes. Countries surrounding India. India shares its boundaries with a number of countries in the north, northwest and east. Pakistan and Afghanistan lie in the northwest. Nepal, China and Bhutan in the north. And Myanmar and Bangladesh to the east. In the south, it lies Sri Lanka. Yes. And then political division. A political map is one which shows the states, capitals, ports and cities. For the purpose of smooth administration, country is divided into states, each having its own capital. There are 29 states and 7 union territories in India. Yes, for the smooth administration of a country, it is divided into states and every state it has its own capital. And India has 29 states and 7 union territories. And our political map, look at the page 7. This is the political map. It shows states, capitals, ports and cities. Yes. These are the capital and state. Andhra Pradesh, capital Hyderabad. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Assam, Dispur. Bihar, Patna. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Goa, Panaji. Yes, these are the capitals and states. And this one is Union Territory and its capital. Location of states. State bordering Pakistan. Look at the map. Look at the political map of India. 4 states that touch the border with Pakistan are Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan and Gujarat. See, look at the political map here. This is Jammu and Kashmir. This one is country of Pakistan. It was bordered by Rajasthan, Punjab, Jammu and Kashmir and Gujarat. Yes, and then the states that touch Arabian Sea. Where is Arabian Sea? It is here. This one is Arabian Sea. The states that touch Arabian Sea are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, see the small one, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. Yes, these are the states that touch Arabian Sea. Yes, and then states surrounding Bay of Bengal. Where is Bay of Bengal? Yes, Bay of Bengal is here. And the states that touch Bay of Bengal are Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and West Bengal. Yes. And then states bordering China. See, this one is China. And the states that borders China are, see, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. See here. And then states bordering Myanmar. See, Myanmar is here. And then state bordering Nepal. Nepal is here. And then Bangladesh is here. Yes, these are the states that borders our country. Yes. And then wisdom. Name the countries which are surrounded by India from 3 sides. The southern side of India is covered by water, that is Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. And the northern side, it was surrounded by countries. And what are the countries? You have to answer it for that question. Yes, and then note down your homework. Answer the following. Why is India called a peninsula? Name any 4 states of India which are away from sea. Name the states that touches the Arabian Sea. Write the 29 states and its capitals. And then complete a book exercise A, B, C and D. That is, choose the right answer, fill in the blanks, true or false and match the following. Yes, that's all. Your lesson is over. Complete your book exercise. Thank you children. We will meet in next class.